The largest iceberg ever recorded is known as Iceberg B15. It was initially formed from the Larsen ice shelf in Antarctica, which underwent a large-scale breakup in March 2000. Iceberg B15 broke away from the ice shelf and has since fragmented into smaller pieces, but its original size was estimated to be around 4,200 square miles or 10,900 square kilometers. To put this into perspective, Iceberg B15 was roughly the size of the state of Connecticut or the island of Jamaica. It was an enormous mass of floating ice, and its sheer size was a significant event in the scientific and public realms. Over time, Iceberg B15 has broken apart into smaller icebergs due to natural processes such as melting, erosion, and collision with other icebergs or land masses. These smaller icebergs have dispersed across the Southern Ocean and may pose a hazard to shipping routes. It is essential to note that while Iceberg B15 is considered one of the largest ever recorded, the size of icebergs can vary greatly, and new large icebergs can form through the natural processes of calving or breaking away from glaciers and ice shelves.